Okay, in the shop this morning is something a little unusual. This is the bottom joint to a recorder, and the instruction on the repair tag was replace the pads. And I said, "You mean both of them?" Because it only has two pads. Here's the interesting thing about these keys. I'm going to replace them with, I think, saxophone pads because I think those are similar in size. I think they're similar in thickness as well. I was going to use bassoon pads, but I don't have the right sizes for them. But I think these will work just fine. The really fascinating thing about them is these are the rods, and as you see, they're not threaded on either end, so they're just kind of friction fit in there, which is interesting. Yeah, because I looked for the screw head on either side, and it was like, oh, no screw head. So we'll get these pads changed and seated and off to the client.